nickel cause she took it home me. She in Calabasas cooking for me. I love the way she wear her hair, lace fronts and all. I love the way she make them stare, do makeup.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm here with you today with the half up half down bob wig install. Now today I've already colored this hair, and the video is on my channel, and I will probably link it below for you guys. I'm just going to be showing you how I styled this wig and how I applied it. I already have my ball cap on, and I'm just cleaning off the scalp now, and I'm showing you the wig, guys. This wig is from my cousin Avi's dollhouse, so you guys can go check it out on her channel. I'll also link that below. But now I'm just applying the wig, and I'm going to be gluing it down. This install is not very detailed, but if you guys would like a more detailed install, please let me know. Alright, here I was talking in the actual video, but when I went back and listened to the video, you hear a lot of stuff in the background. Now, what I was trying to explain to you guys, this is how you color match your makeup to your client's skin. As you can see, you see me putting makeup on the front of the lace that's going to be cut off and trying to blend it in with her skin. Now, you can use this or lace tint, but when I'm using bright colors or blonde, I try to avoid lace tint because it will stain the hair. Also, what I did not remember to do, when you know you're laying your lace and you're going to put got to be on your lace after you glue it down, go with the lighter shade of makeup, because the got to be will change your lace a darker color, and you will see it as we progress in the video. After you find the right shade, you just want to go under the lace and put the makeup. Then you want to go over it and put the makeup also. It actually is a great match for her skin, but for some reason the ring light made everything seem so much brighter. Now, the glue I'll be using today is Bold Hold Active. I usually use 3 to 4 layers, and it does have a strong hold. But a lot of clients don't realize you have to take care of your hair for it to hold as long. I've had some clients that literally go take a shower and do not wrap their hair up. You cannot do that whenever you're wearing lace. You have to make sure you take care of your hair. You have to be on top of it. You have to explain it to a lot of your clients also. For some reason, it looked like it's a white ring around this lace. And when I tell you guys in person, it's actually not. I really don't understand why the light made it look like that. But anyway, all you see me doing now is really picking the glue from in front of her hairline, because sometimes when you pull up the lace, it leaves white marks because of the glue was trying to dry, basically. This is the part that I was talking about with the Got to Be spray. You see when I sprayed it on the lace, it turned the lace a darker color. And I forgot that before I put the makeup on the lace. And I didn't realize it until after I sprayed the Got to Be spray. But anyway, I didn't spray it in the middle because usually when you spray Got to Be spray on your hair and tie it up, your hair will stay in the direction it's leaning while it is tied up. And I needed the bang to go the opposite way. And in case you guys are wondering who that is over there in the right corner, that's Maya. And she's going to be making a lot of appearances on my channel because Maya loves the camera. But yeah, I'm going to let you guys look at the rest of the video. And I hope you guys enjoy. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.